Replacing a starter on a Mercedes C300. Um, the tools that you're gonna need is very simple and it's easy to do it. You need an extension that's about 10 to 12 inches. You need one of this. I'll call knuckle socket, and then you need the exactly socket for the kind of bolt that's on the Mercedes C300 on the starter. The number is E13, E14 actually. And get a focal on there. E14. I ordered on the Amazon. It came a set with couple of them. If you have a Mercedes, you might consider buying this. I think it was only $30 and comes with this set also plus this. And the reason that you need this kind of socket is because that's the bolt that's on the starter, you see. The way I found it removing is removing the bottom bolt and then after the top one, and having this knuckle on the socket helps you working from down below the car. As you can see, I have the car on a jack and I have a wood on the other side also, helping bring it higher. If I had a lift, probably will make my life much easier. The way you're gonna do it, remove or stalling back, that's the way it has to go. What you need to do is attach the wire that goes on the back before you send it up there, and then you just push it backwards and forwards into the engine. Here's one of the wires, the other one is right here. So if you do down here, the starter is gonna be hanging like this. Then you can just send it back. And then when I removed the other two bolts, it was hanging like this and I disconnected down here. For me to do this work and filming is gonna be very, very hard, but I'm not gonna even try because I know it's gonna be impossible. If I had a lift and I would play my phone somewhere with a bunch of light and show it. So C300, it's about $180-$90 if you bring your car back into the store. You save $55. If not, that'll be over $200 on the starter. Please subscribe to the channel, help us with thumbs up also. Thank you, bye bye.